Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is Rich from Random Motorsports, and today we're going to be working on the truck a little bit more. I'm going to start on some body work. This truck is in desperate need of body work. I picked it up. It's been sitting for a long time. It was restored at one point, but just from looking at it, it looks like they did a good job on the actual paintwork, but the prep just wasn't there. So I can go through multiple spots in this truck and just peel off chunks of paint. Go over here. So it's got a lot of spots where there's some surface rust showing through on the bed. I did hit this with some primer just so I can get a better idea of what kind of paint scheme I was looking to do. I do want to start sanding it down and prepping it for paint. Obviously, I'm going to need to do some patchwork. I shouldn't be able to reach into my tailgate like that. But at least if I can get an idea of the condition of the rest of the metal, I can know what panels need to be replaced and what can be repaired. Now, I'm no expert at bodywork. I've painted a lot of cars. Bodywork is not exactly my thing, but I would at least like to fix issues like that. So I'm going to attempt to start sanding this down. I already made a quick pass. In retrospect, putting primer down, just adding one more thing for me to sand. So anyways, I'm going to hit this with some 120 grit. I'm going to try to chew down through this rust, get it smoothed out, get an idea of what the actual metal condition is like. And I'll spray some primer over it just to kind of seal it. Obviously primer's not the best for that, but it's better than nothing. So let's get started here. Okay, upon further review, I think I need something a little stronger than 120. I'm going to kick it down to 80 and see how it tackles some of this rust. Yeah, let's see what it does. The other issue is there's a lot of flaking paint. And I obviously don't want that. There's some deep pitting over here. This is going to need some body work. I didn't realize how deep this was. You can see the light coming through underneath. Yeah, that's less than ideal. This should all clean up fairly well though. Thankfully a lot of this rust seems to mostly be surface. Now someone also did run some sort of filler in this crack along the bed. I'm starting to wonder if I need something more effective than sanding. Oh, and it's starting to rain. I'm going to spray some quick primer on this. And yeah, it's going to have to go on for another day. Alright, well, with the rain hitting, that's it. That's all we're going to get out of this episode. Alright, I'll pick this back up when it's not raining.